The T command. Redirecting output to multiple destinations simultaneously. The T command reads from standard input and writes to both standard output and one or more files simultaneously. It is named after the T-splitter in plumbing. It is part of the GNU coroutines package, and it preserves the original pipeline flow. Let us see the syntax of the T command. The basic syntax is command pipe T options file. A few common options are -a or --append, which is used to append to files, and -i or --ignore -interrupts. Some common examples are: to write to a file and display on the screen, we use echo, then the string hello world, pipe T, then the filename output.t. T. To append to an existing file, use echo, then the string new line pipe T, option -a, and the filename output.t. T. To write to multiple files, use echo string multiple files pipe T file1.t. T file2.t. T. Let's consider a few practical examples. Example 1. Logging command output. To save command output to a log file while still viewing it on screen, use -s option -l. Pipe T filename file_listing.log. The output appears on the screen and is saved to file_listing.log. Example 2. Using with sudo. To write to a file that requires root permissions, use echo, then the string 192.168.100 my server, pipe sudo t, option -a, and the filename /e. T. C. /hosts. This appends the entry to the host file with elevated privileges. Let us see some advanced usage patterns. To send output to multiple files at once, use echo, then the string distributed content, pipe T filename file1.t. T file2.t. T file3.t. T. To save full output while filtering for display, use -s option -l. A. Pipe T filename all_files.log pipe grep and the string.t. T. To discard standard output but save to file, use command pipe T filename logfile.t. T greater than sign /d. E. V. /null. Output is saved to a file but not displayed. To log installation output and save installation logs while monitoring progress, use sudo apt-get install package -name, pipe T filename installation.log. Let us see some real-world scenarios. Debugging system issues. To capture system information for troubleshooting while viewing it, use m e s g pipe T filename system_logs.t. T. Pipe grep and the string error. System configuration. To modify configuration files that require root permissions, use cat filename config.template pipe sed string s/d. E. B. U. G. equals 0/d. E. B. U. G. equals 1// pipe sudo t filename /e. T. C. /application /config.c. O. N. F. greater than sign /d. E. V. /null. Data processing pipeline. To process data while keeping a copy of intermediate results, use cat filename data.c. S. V. Pipe cut option -d, option -f1,3 pipe T filename intermediate.c. S. V. Pipe sort pipe unique greater than sign filename final_results.c. S. V. Summary and best practices. Key takeaways. T writes to both standard output and files simultaneously. It is perfect for logging while monitoring output. It combines well with sudo for privileged file operations. It can write to multiple files in one command. It is an essential tool for complex command pipelines. Best practices. Use the -a flag to append rather than overwrite existing files. Redirect to /d. E. V. /null when you only need the file output. Combine with grep, sed or a. W. K. For powerful data processing pipelines. Remember, T requires write permissions for target files. The T command, a simple but powerful tool in the Linux command line arsenal. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.